Hello, wanted to take a minute and show you this 2016 Kia Sedona LX. It is a one-owner vehicle. It was locally owned here in North Carolina and traded here to us. We do have free Carfax reports available here at the dealership or online through our website. This van also qualifies for guaranteed credit approval through the bank and credit unions that we work with. It's been fully serviced and checked out. The front seats are heated and the driver's seat is power. And you have your cruise control, Bluetooth, and radio controls on the steering wheel. It currently has 104,000 miles. There's your radio screen, which also displays the backup camera. You have your climate controls below. The USB and auxiliary ports are at the very bottom there. And there are your heated seat controls. It does have power dual sliding doors. The second row seat, as you can see, is a bench seat. And it does have rear air. The controls are over there for that. And the third row seat also can seat 3 people. And it has lots of cargo room. The third row seats can fold flat if you need additional storage. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a time to come in and take a closer look, you can call us at 336-270-5104 or visit us online at ddtruckandauto.com. We look forward to talking to you soon.